In the previous video, I have talked about insert one and insert many. What if I want to find all the documents? Let's say I have a users collection and there are a couple of documents here. How can I get that? There is a find method you can use in MongoDB. Here I have users collection. I've created the MongoDB fundamentals database. We have users collection. And I have all of these users 1 2 3 4 5. I have 5 users, right? We created bunch of users in the insert.mongodb.js. Go ahead and create a query.mongodb.js file. I would like to use the MongoDB fundamentals. There is a method I can use. I can say please get the users collection, and I can use the find method. You can see I'm also getting the suggestion for find in the findOne. I'm gonna teach you the find method first. Let's say I would like to fetch all the documents, right? Oh, I have to connect to the VS Code. Let me get my connection string for VS Code. Yeah, this one. Command Shift P, connect to MongoDB. Let me provide my connection string. It has connected successfully. Now you can see I can find all the documents. If you want to find document, let's say I want to find document with age 20, db.getCollection, provide the collection name. You can also write query here. Age should be, let's say, I can say age is 20. Let's say I think I have set the age 20 for all users. You can see that the same age. I found all the documents. What if I change the date for this user? You can also change here in the MongoDB compass. Let's say I can set the date 19. What if I want to find all the documents with age 19? Let's see. Here you can see that I got only single record, but it returns array. Find always returns array. You can also use, let's say, another like multiple fields in the criteria. I can say email should be this one. It's gonna give me the same result because we have only one record with age 19 and with this email. Now you can see that I got the same record. What if I set the age 20, but it will not give that? So it will be treated as a AND. If you will not provide the AND operation, it will be treated as a AND. By default, it will treat as a AND. This is the syntax of the AND. AND is an array, and you gotta provide two objects. Age should be 19 and email should be jane2@gmail.com. It's gonna give me the same result, but we use the shorthand syntax. But I got the empty array. Yeah. I got the empty array and that I found the issue. I have used a double quotes. That is why I got the empty result or empty array. Now let's see what it is going to be happen. You can see I can find all the users who have age 19 and this email. You can also use the findOne. If you want to find a single record, you can use the findOne instead of find. It will return the same object, but this time I will not get the array. You can see I got the single object. This is how you can use the findOne. And I have taught you the AND syntax.